Thank you, thank you, thank you for the applause. All right, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and start now with the volume of pyramids. Okay. So we did volume of rectangular prisms and triangular prisms yesterday. We're gonna do pyramids now. Okay. So we have we're gonna start with rectangular pyramids. We're gonna do triangular pyramids, and again, just like yesterday, you're gonna cut out the notes, paste it, and then you're also gonna have, just like yesterday, a Google form with 6 questions, 3 on rectangular pyramids and 3 on triangular pyramids. All right. But let me get started here with the notes for rectangular pyramids. Okay. So a little definition here: a pyramid. A pyramid is a three-dimensional shape. Three-dimensional. Whose base is a polygon. Polygon is just a closed figure with straight sides, and whose other faces are all triangles. So basically, it's one shape surrounded by triangles. And the triangles, of course, come up to create a point on the top, and that's what makes a pyramid, okay? So like a prism, a pyramid is named by the shape of its base. So whatever the base is, that's what kind of pyramid it is. Like, so this one here, we have a, what is this? It doesn't say what it is. Base is 5 by 6. So since it's a 5 by 6, that's a rectangle, so it's a rectangular pyramid, okay? So the volume of the pyramid, and this is the most important thing, this is what's the difference between a volume of a prism and volume of a pyramid, is that, I'm sorry, volume of a prism and volume of a pyramid is that the volume of the pyramid is 1/3 the area of its base times its height. So this is the difference, the 1/3. So the formula is going to be 1/3 base times height. Let me scroll down a little bit. Okay. So 1/3 area of base times height. Remember, capital B's area of base. Okay. Area of base, capital B. All right. So again, a pyramid is a three-dimensional shape whose base is a polygon and whose other faces are all triangles. Like a prism, a pyramid is named by the shape of its base. All right. Scroll down here. So we have a question here. It says, Sherry won a crystal rectangular pyramid at her piano recital. The base is 5 inches by 6 inches. We're going to need that to find the area of the base, okay? And its height is 6 inches. We need that for the volume, all right? But let's start with the area of the base. So we're looking for the capital B, right? We're going to do length times width, okay? Because it's a rectangle, right? So in this case, the length and width are 5 by 6. We're going to multiply 5 times 6, okay? And then 5 times 6 is 30, right? Now this is in inches, right? 5 inches and 6 inches, so it's inches squared because it was inches here and inches here. That's 2 of them squared, right? So once we find our capital B, our area of the base, now we can move on to the formula for volume. Now again, the formula for volume is 1/3 area of base times height. So let's go ahead and start plugging it in. We know the area of the base. 1/3 area of the base was 30. The height is right here. Height is 6. Okay. So we can multiply there first. 1/3 and then 30 times 6 is 180. And now we got to find out what is 1/3 of 180. Now you can multiply, okay, 1/3 times 180, but the easier thing to do, let me scroll down so people in the back can see. The easier thing to do would be to just divide this number by 3. You're going to do 180 divided by 3. 3 doesn't go into 1. 3 goes into 18 6 times. That's exactly 18. You get 0. Bring the 0 down. Whenever you bring a number down, you have to put a number up. So 3 goes into 0, 0 times. So this is 60 inches, and now it's going to be not squared, but cubed, because we're dealing with volume. Okay. So the area of this particular triangular pyramid, no, it is rectangular, I'm sorry. Rectangular pyramid is 60 inches cubed, okay? So that is how you solve for a rectangular pyramid, okay? So you're gonna be in for a big surprise because when we go over to the next handout on triangular pyramid, which you can do now, you're going to see that we're going to be using the exact same formula. So the formula for triangular pyramid, for the volume of a triangular pyramid, is 1/3. Use a different color again. For y'all with the same color all the time. Go with green. Okay, it's going to be 1/3 area of base times height. Okay, so we have our formula, which is exactly the same for the rectangular pyramid, but again, the difference between a rectangular pyramid and a triangular pyramid is the base. So now finding the area of the base is going to be different because our area of the base now, or our base is a triangle, it's not a rectangle. So it's going to be a different formula. So here, the base has the base of the triangle is 4, and then the height of the triangle is 6, and then the height of the pyramid is 8. Okay, so let's go ahead and take it step by step. We're going to find the area of the base first. Okay, so again, since it is a triangle, we're going to have to do base times height divided by 2. Okay, when I go back up here, again, my base was 4, my height is 6 for just my triangle on the bottom, right? Just the triangle on the bottom, it's a 4 by 6. So I'm going to do 4 times 6 divided by 2. So 4 times 6 is 24. And 24 divided by 2 is 12. And it's 12 feet squared. Okay? So it's 12 feet squared. Now again, just like I told y'all yesterday, here we're multiplying base times height of the triangle on the bottom. That's feet times feet, and that's why we get feet squared. Okay? Once we find the volume, it's going to change to feet cubed, right? Because here we're going to be multiplying the feet squared that we found up here times another measurement, the height of the shape. That's why we get the cube. Okay, so here it is 1/3 area of base times height. The area of my base is 12 feet. The height of my three-dimensional shape of my pyramid is 8. Okay, so we're going to multiply the 12 times 8 first. Okay, so 12 times 8 is 96. And then we got to do that times 1/3. Okay, so again, just like we did for the rectangular pyramid, you can multiply it out. If you multiply it out, you would have to do something like this, 96 over 1. But either way, you're going to end up doing 96 over 3, which is just 96 divided by 3. So let's just do the 96 divided by 3 right now. 3 goes into 9 3 times. That's 9. Subtract, you get 0. Bring down the 6. 3 goes into 6 2 times. I'm not going to have a remainder. Okay, so my answer is 32. Volume is 32 feet cubed for that triangular pyramid. Okay, so just like yesterday, you're going to go ahead and cut these out. You're going to paste them in your journal. You're going to go to Google Classroom, and you're going to work on the 6 questions over volume of rectangular pyramids and volume of rectangular prisms. Okay, so the questions are going to look something like this for the rectangular pyramids. Okay, they're the 3 questions. And then for the triangular pyramids, they're going to look something like this. Okay, so there are the 3 questions. I'm going to cut out these pictures and put them on your form so you can see those exact same pictures. Okay, and those are the answer choices. You're going to answer those 3 questions and the other ones. There's going to be 6 total. Again, if you need to come back to the video to see kind of what I did or where I'm getting these numbers from, you can do that. All right, just if you're gonna watch it, just make sure that your volume's down so you're not bothering any other students. All right, just like yesterday, guys, please be on your best behavior. Behave for the sub. Get your work done. If you get it done and you are missing work for me, then you can work on that. Okay, if you're not, just stay quiet, or you can work on another class's work. But the form needs to get done first. Okay. Tomorrow, what we'll be working on is a another Edulastic lesson on volume of prisms and volume of pyramids. So it's kind of like taking what you learned these last 2 days and putting it into use for that lesson. Okay. All right, guys. Well, I'll see you all later. Bye-bye.